Thokozani, this is Kokota Blamanzi insizwa kaMathebula. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell on your right. Thokozani, you guys, I love you so much. Thokozani to the people that are watching my videos from Swaziland, Mozambique, Botswana, Namibia, the United States, UK. Thokozani guys, I love you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so I decided to do a little something, but my video army like whether I call right. Okay, let's not dwell on that. So itopic namuhla yemakhosi. Ngasikhuluma ngemakhosi. Ngifuna sikhulume ngema-signs. How do you know ukuthi unemakhosi? How do you know ukuthi umbethwe makhosi? Ngitocala ngema-signs la njani? La general kuze ukuthi nasihamba nale topic lena ukhona ku-understanda. Please watch the videos to the end so that ungangiwhatsappeli ungibute ama-question. I-WhatsApp, it's for business. Please. I-WhatsApp, it's for when ufuna lusito, not for questions. Please guys, ngicela sikhansele ukuthi you're gonna hear something ku video yami, i-video yami lewache maybe boma 3 minutes and then uyagijima uya ku WhatsApp and then you be like gogo kambe uthele swasho sisebenza njani, kube ngintshelile konke during the video ukuthi how do you go about it. So ngicela siyekeleni lokho guys, ngiyanthanda but yathini sometimes hayi. So okay, how do you know ukuthi unemakhosi? Muntu lo nemakhosi guys, muntu lo angati ngathini, muntu lo thandzwa abantu. Asicaleni lapho. Muntu lo thandzwa abantu. Muntu lo nesithunzi lesingafani nalesabanye bantu. You find out ukuthi uthandzwa abantu and you like awathi ukuthi kufike njani kumbe kuyendeke njani, because most of the time utithola ukuthi maybe you don't even have anything. You don't even have anything to show off or anything yokuthi yathini okay bangithandzela because I'm prospering, because I have many cars or something or whatnot. So okay, number 2 is that now unemakhosi umuntu lo asicale lapho ngaze ngiyise ekutheni nginiconfuse. Umuntu lo stubborn. Umuntu lo stubborn kakhulu. Umuntu lo stubborn. Angakuthi ngingayibeka kanjani. Umuntu lenenhloko leqinile. Ngisho njalo. Ngiyaxolisa but liqiniso lihle. Umuntu lenenhloko leqinile. And umuntu number 3, umuntu lo thanza abantu. Umuntu lo thanza abantu, like uthanza abantu ngenhlito yakho yonke, ufuna kusita la noma la ungakhoni khona but you wanna lend a hand. You understand? Umuntu lo nenhlito lenhle kakhulu, and most of the time people tend to take advantage of your kindness. And then now nemakhosi umuntu lo ngakhoni kuthatha ama orders. You are someone who is unable to take orders. Like awukhoni ukuthi umuntu akutshela ukuthi okay yenda so kumbe dopa so kumbe in like you just that person like mina ngenda so unless kufuna wena ukuthi yathini I'm gonna do that person, I'm sorry, I'm gonna do that thing. Yabona? Or like umuntu lo ukuthi okay fine, if someone gives you orders to do a certain thing, you'll even take your time until sekubhodle wena ukuthi yathini okay now I'm gonna do that thing. Yabona? Ngakabhodlanga, you're not gonna do that thing. So and then I think ngathini, if mundu akunika i-advice ne, say maybe you are in a situation where you don't know what to do or how to go about it, nakunika leyo advice uqala uyichache kuqala. You first break it down to different kinds of pieces ne, we break her down, we analyze, and then you're gonna conclude. Now conclude, you don't just take it, you take what you want from Leo advice. You don't take everything ya loyo mundu look advice. You're gonna break it down, and then now we analyze in to that point yokuthi ucabanga ukuthi okay, lo mundu lona nanganika i-advice so ubenefita in khona laphayana, or inzaba amnika i-advice leso, uyabona, bese nale advice nayo uyayibukisisa ukuthi le advice lena ngiyo yona na, before uyithatha or take some bits out of it, like yatini lokho kuncanyane lokutokubhodlisa wena lokutokuphatha kahle. It's okay, I'm gonna do maybe a little bit of what that person said. So umuntu lo njalo man, umuntu lo longa yindi tindo just somar, uyabona. And then ngathini, umuntu lo thanza kuhlala ayedwana, umuntu lo thanza kuhlala wedwana, like you're a person who loves staying alone, like you don't like crowds. If maybe there's a party or something, you don't just go to any party, no. Something ngaphakathi kwakho ukuthi ayi man hamba kulena. You don't just go to any parties, you don't just go to any crowds. Awuvani nema crowd unless maybe that crowd involved to maybe say kune gathering and maybe you must say something, maybe there's a speech you need to give, uyabona. So you may attend that gathering or whatever, that event you will attend, uyabona. So umuntu lo njalo, umuntu othanza kuhlala yedwana, umuntu othanza ukukhuluma yedwana, uyakhuluma wedwana and then uyadiphendula, maybe kune problem lo nayo, like uyahamba uhlala kamereni utivalele and then talk about it, khuluma uphinde uphendule. And then this thing balabaningi bangacanga ukuthi uyahlanya, or maybe ngathini, but lo muntu uyaditshela akavani nebantu nasim invite somewhere unjanjani kani, no, ngilobukhosi lobuphethe, ngilobukhosi lobumbethe. I'm sorry, there's a fly. Ngilobukhosi lobumbethe, uyabona. Oh Jesus. So yeah, umuntu lo njalo ngaze ngiyende le video ibe yiningi because ngiyabona ukuthi yeah seyibayitse kakhulu. So I'm gonna do a part 2 of this video, you guys. These are the signs that you need to understand and then evaluate. Okay, am I part of this people or njani? Akusiyonke umuntu lenebukhosi. No, but Amakhosi, it means tukela lineage yakho makhosi biwakhona. You understand? So yes guys, thokozani, this is Kokota Blamanzi. Into zaka matebula makhosi lamakhulu, thokozani makhosi.